What is resistance welding? Resistance welding is a high-speed method of joining metals using pressure and electric heating under accurate control, without adding any extra welding material. The welding force is applied by the welder, eliminating the need for tack welds or holding clamps. A resistance weld can be completed in just a fraction of a second. The process begins with heat development. The heat for the weld comes from the resistance of the metal to the passage of electric current. The pieces are clamped between electrodes at the point where the weld is to be made, and a pulse of current forms the weld. The amount of heating depends on the current and the time it flows. Heavy amperage is achieved using a transformer with many primary turns and usually one secondary turn. This current passes through the weld via the clamping electrodes. The time of current flow is controlled electronically, allowing adjustments to within 1/120th of a second. This precision makes it possible to weld even the thinnest metals. When the adjoining metal faces melt to form a nugget, the electrodes press them together into a homogeneous weld. Resistance welding delivers both quality and quantity. With proper control settings, the process can continue as fast as the material can be fed into the machine. Productivity depends mainly on how quickly work is brought to and removed from the machine. Cooling the work quickly under pressure eliminates distortion and straightening operations. No grinding is needed to remove beads, and with correct settings, there's no burning of the work. Most metals commonly welded in industry can be welded using resistance welding. The process works best on light and medium gauges of metal. Marlin Steel makes baskets, racks, and carts and wire forms for the medical device and aerospace and food processing industries in the USA and exports to 45 countries. We make the best quality, and we appreciate the welding training and partnership with TJ Snow. Please give us a shot on your next project where quality engineering and quick matter.